This is a 2004 City Cruiser. Pretty good shape. It's got good tires. I turned the engine on, you can hear it. It's got cold AC. Clean inside. It's got aluminum wheels. Starts right up. You can see it's pretty nice inside. Clean, no rips or tears anywhere. Electric windows. There's the back. Lots of room in the back. You can fold down the seats. Tires are good still. Don't need tires. The engine, quiet, runs strong, good gas mileage. I'm selling it because I need a truck. Turn on the AC, it works, it's pretty good. No check engine light, no leaks of any kind. Shifts very smoothly. Drives really well. Okay, thanks for looking.